Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. This is a mostly Christmas haul, and it's a mostly Merry Days haul because that is the collection that I chose to work on for my December daily. And I'm probably going to make another scrapbook. I probably will be making a couple other things, scrapbook related. It won't just be Merry Days, but that's what I'm going to be focusing on in terms of my actual December daily. But I did from Tupelo LLC. I did have a haul which included Merry Days, but a few other things. So I did buy the Merry and Bright. Part of me regrets it because I feel like I bought some things that are very similar by Echo Park at Tuesday morning, but I really, really love the colors. I love the style. It includes foil. It really is a beautiful collection. And so I did get this one. So I guess I shouldn't regret it because it is very beautiful. I just don't know if I'm going to get to use it this year, excuse me, because I just have so much stuff. So I did not buy the 6x6, but I did buy the coffee, which is also a new collection for Echo Park for the fall. And it's 24 double-sided papers. I love coffee. I collect a lot of coffee stamps and cups and those sorts of things. You know, coffee dyes and all of that. So it's coffee related stuff. Beautiful colors. It's feminine, but the theme is coffee, and I think these would make, you know, some beautiful gift cards and things like that. I have my favorite coffee dyes I like too. So I did get that. And then on to the Merry Days. I did buy Merry Days from not just Tupelo, but one other place that I'm going to share with you guys. I did buy the chipboard. I really do love the chipboard this year. This is the Merry Days chipboard. And I love the joy, the houses. It's got these 25. So those are really cool. The hot cocoa cups and the stockings. It's really, really cute. I bought, this is all from Tupelo, the Merry Days gift wrap book. And I also got this one in a Maggie Holmes collection, her Willow Lane, which I have not used it yet. So the thing about the gift wrap book is the paper is more like a wrapping paper than a scrapbook paper, but it absolutely could be used as a scrapbook paper. But it would be lovely in a swap to wrap the presents in this, or to even use this, you know, in your design. But so for those of you who haven't seen a gift wrap book, this is a really cool product that Crate Paper puts out. And then back here, you've got these really amazing tags, but they're also cut apart that you can use, you know, in your crafting or in your daily December, if that's something that you're going to be doing. So that's included in that gift wrap book. So got that. And then I got 2 of the Merry Days papers, because the thing about these is they're 24 sheets. This is 6x8, but it's only one-sided. But I love it so much. I love the kind of the funkiness of it. The colors are just different, so it's really fun. So I got that, and I did buy the ephemera. Okay, so they also have this collection. I did not get it because it's so expensive. Was the washi? They had something else that I thought was really expensive, and I just didn't get it because I'm like, I'll just make my own embellishments. But this has like glitter on it, and really, really fun. Has tags and things like that. Some things that are also on the chipboard, but like the chipboard says joy. This one spells Noel. It does have different houses. So super cute. I did get that. And then they always send you little buttons. Okay, so then the other thing was I went to Your Scrapbook Stash. So they're like the parent company of the cheap scrapbook stuff. So if you cheap scrapbook stuff, I hauled that. A lot of people were super excited to find that and buy some things from them. So they have a parent company, and so they had a sale, which is 30% off. I don't know if it was just American Crafts or what. So I did buy a few things, and I spent $21 with shipping. I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so I did buy these. So these are clips, and they're like epoxy. They're pretty cool. So I got those. And then the paper. So if you buy single sheets of the paper, then it's double-sided. So something to know about crepe paper. So if you do buy the single sheets, then it's double-sided. So that's kind of something to know. So this is the 12 by 12 single sheets. And the thing also about crepe paper is that sometimes when you buy the 6 by 8, they have two different 6 by 8s, and so not all the paper is in one paper pad. You have to buy two paper pads, so it's kind of interesting. This one I bought two of. It's just kind of like a general one. And then this one is the cut aparts. And then the other side is the side which I probably will not use. So I'll use all the cut aparts. And then this one, I don't know if this is in the 6 by 8. I have a feeling it's not. If it is, it's too small to use. These are the numbers that you can cut up, which I love, because if you're doing a December daily, it's so nice to have these already done for you and have them be cute. But here's the other side. This one's a fa la la. I do really love this one. And I love this one that's coming up too. Shoot, it's stuck here. I don't know, I just love it. There's no snow in my life, but I love it. And this one. And the swans. So I'm going to have to decide which is going to be the cover of my album. So this was from Your Scrapbook Stash. So this is sort of the, parent company, or it's connected to the Cheap Scrapbook Stash. So if you go to Cheap Scrapbook Stash, there is a link to Your Scrapbook Stash. But if you search Your Scrapbook Stash, it'll pop right up. This is really, I think, a beautiful collection. I mean, I have so much Christmas stuff. I can't even tell you. I don't even know why I buy it. But every year, they really shoot it out of the park with so much things with foil and glitter and all of that goodness. But this particular collection right here is very beautiful. So I'm really, really excited about it. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Sydney Creating the Heart.